Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix the Disney Solitaire Facebook or Google sign-in errors so you can sync your progress across the devices. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi and mobile data is stable. Sign-in errors often happen due to weak or unstable networks. Then, check account credentials. Verify that you're entering the correct Facebook or Google login credentials. Incorrect email, username, or password can block sign in. Then, open the App Store or the Play Store, search for Disney Solitaire, and then install the latest version of the Disney Solitaires. Outdated versions can cause login issues. Then swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for Disney Solitaire, swipe the app away completely, closing it, then restart the device and open the app again. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, and Disney Solitaire, Storage, then clear the cache. If it still fails, uninstall and reinstall the Disney Solitaire. Try signing in again with Facebook or Google. That's how to fix the Disney Solitaire Facebook or Google signing errors. Subscribe for more quick fixes.